A brand new car, just 6 months old, wrecked like this. Why is the owner insisting on fixing it, even without insurance? A major crash for this Audi A6 C8. The entire left front is destroyed. It's totally ruined. Damn, don't move it, it's stuck. Stop, just pull it out. No way, we can't afford this. Anyway, as long as everyone is safe, it's fine. He just bought it last year, wanted to drive home in glory, but it ended up wrecked like this. He said it kept me safe. I have to restore it. Let's see how we bring this car back to its brand new condition. Enough talking. Let's get to work. The build quality is amazing, guys. Do you see this? The main frame rail barely moved. The cabin, A, B, and C pillars are intact. Overall protection is excellent. The structural integrity is perfectly fine. Guys, there's a car hidden in here. What is it? Strictly speaking, it's not a full car. It's half an A6 C8. What we focus on here, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, so we need a bright space. See how bright it is? The front end took a severe hit. Replacing everything brand new is too expensive. Considering the budget and practical needs, we opted for a factory partial front clip, reusing intact parts to assemble it. This greatly reduces the repair cost, saving the owner a lot of money. Plus, factory parts fit perfectly, balancing top quality with value. Seam sealing test. Applying polyurethane seam sealer properly, blocking out moisture, replicating the factory sealing process, preventing any future rust issues. For all the repaired structural reinforcements and welded areas, we spray an even layer of epoxy primer. It bonds directly to the bare metal, forming a dense protective film, isolating the metal from air and moisture, stopping rust at its source. It also improves the adhesion of the top coat materials, preventing the paint from peeling off later. Finally, we spray a special black chassis paint, not just for a clean and nice look. It further blocks moisture and resists dirt and road salt, adding another protective layer over the primer. After the bodywork, we start painting. First, we spray Glasurit paint. installing the engine. The crash broke and cracked the wiring harness. Replacing it all cost thousands of dollars. We chose precision repair, costing only a few $100s. All damaged wires were sectioned and spliced. Every joint was properly wrapped and reinforced. The harness was routed and wrapped neatly, completely eliminating future short-circuit risks. The repair process is done. Now we clean the hidden spots thoroughly inside the cabin. Once clean, we start full vehicle reassembly. Reupholstering the headliner. This car took over half a year. Finally got it fully restored, because for the first few months, the owner debated with his family to repair or sell it for salvage. Turns out, this new car had no insurance. Honestly, he's pretty careless. At that time, its salvage value was a few $1,000s, but fully restoring it also cost several $1,000s. Guys, if it were you, would you sell it or restore it? We were in contact back then, communicated many times. The owner was mostly concerned about the quality after the repair. In the past, with cars like this, if you do a full structural cut, first, the cost is very high. You might also damage other good parts, just to install the new sections, just to get them fitted. So we opted for partial repair and partial cutting. Of course, because at this damage level, cutting is unavoidable. But our spot welding and seam welding, and the post-weld leveling, we also use a pulling machine to restore its tensile strength. Only then do we start painting and the final assembly process. This is the only way to ensure that when you drive it drives perfectly straight. And when people drive it, it doesn't feel like a crashed car. The steering wheel and its smoothness stay perfectly normal. The alignment and all chassis tuning. As for the paint, we use Glasurit paint to guarantee that, even after a crash, driving it won't affect your good mood.